This is the position of object. As we know, in the concave mirror, object is placed in front of the mirror and it is always placed above the principal axis. This is your principal axis. This is your principal axis. Principal axis which passed from the center as well as from pole and from pole. This is your object. This is the position of object. Object is always placed above the principal axis. Okay. All the distances, first point, all the distances measured from pole as origin. This is as origin. All the distances are measured from pole. The second one, as we know, what about the incident light, incident ray, the direction of incident ray? This is your incident ray. Whenever it strike to the surface, after striking it reflect back, and as we know, when light is parallel to principal axis, it always passes from focus. It doesn't matter. Now what about the incident ray? It's light direction, incident light direction. This is the incident light direction. This is from left to right side, which is from left to right side. In which side it moves, in which side it is going? In positive side it is going in the right side, so it is considered as, this side is considered as positive side and this side is considered as negative side. Okay, the front one is considered as negative and behind it considered as positive. Second one, first all the distances are measured from pole. Second, the distances measured in the same direction as that of incident light are taken as positive. In which side incident light is going, it will be positive. Which side it is going, in the right side it is going, means which side this arrow shows, right side, this is considered as positive. Incident light will be positive. Which side direction of incident light, it will be positive, and the other against of it is negative, and the other side will considered as negative. Okay, the fourth point, as I told you, above the principal axis, if a thing is placed, if object is placed above the principal axis, then above the principal axis, or we can say in the upward direction, if object is placed above the principal axis, then object will be positive. If object is placed, fifth one, if object is placed above the principal axis, then it will be positive. Distance measured above the principal axis, we don't write here above the principal axis, object placed above the principal axis or image placed above the principal axis. We will just write here the distance measured above the principal axis, or we can say upward the principal axis, is considered as positive, and below the principal axis, distance measured below the principal axis, or we can say downward, it will be considered as negative. Clear? The first one, all distances measured from pole. Second one, in which side incident light, the arrow shows in the right side, it will considered as positive side. And third one, other side of the positive, this is the front side, it is considered as negative. And the fourth is distance measured above the principal axis is positive, and distance measured below the principal axis is negative. Okay, now see Raji, now see, let it be object is placed, this is our position of object, and let it be, this is the image position, this is image and this is object. See, object is placed above the principal axis. Let me tell you first, object is represented by u. This is the distance of object, which is represented by u. Distance of image, which is represented by v, and f is the focal length, and f is the